Hi, this is Math Professor Gina, and I have a short video to show you how to use the system solver on the calculator. When you have more than one equation that you're solving, you can click on the second button here and then select the system solver, which is on top of the tangent button. We have two equations with two variables, so we'll select the first option, which is a 2x2 system. You're going to enter in each of the coefficients for the variables. These are in order with x first, y second, and then the number without a variable third. Each time you have to decide whether there's a plus or a minus. For y, I'm going to enter in 1 as the coefficient. And when you've got everything entered, you'll hit solve, and the calculator gives you the solution. If I hit the enter button again, it will take me back to the system so that I can do a different example. I'm going to scroll up and enter in different coefficients here. 7, a plus 2, 16. I'm going to use the negative button down below for negative 21, and then I have a minus 6. When I go to solve this one, the calculator tells me that there is no solution, so we know these are parallel lines. For this last example, I can see that by looking at the two equations, one is a multiple of the other. By entering in the coefficients and then hitting the solve, the calculator will tell me that I have infinite solutions. If you have questions, send me an email, and thanks for watching.